What do you want? I'm asking you, what do you want exactly? You clearly know that I don't like that man. I don't like that local rich man, yet you brought him to the house. Why?
I did it for you, Cha.
No, you did not do anything for me. You did it to gain Mama's favor. Say the truth.
That's not the truth. You and I know that you have no future whatsoever with that guy who can barely understand what life is all about. But with Edozie Cha, your life is fully secured. Why don't you think about it?
There is nothing to think about.
Really?
Yes, there is absolutely nothing to think about. Listen, I'm a grown woman. I know what I want. And nobody, I mean nobody will stop me from seeing Richard. Nobody.
The truth remains that even if Edozie is not in the picture, your mother will still not allow you to settle for that guy.
And you think I really care? You think I really care? I am a grown woman, okay, and I know what I want. My life, my own happiness. Yes, nobody will stop me from seeing Richard. He makes me happy.
You know, it actually baffles me how a boy who can barely change his torn boxers.
Excuse you? No, sorry, please. Why would you speak about my boyfriend in that manner as if I'm not here? I am present. Please, respect yourself, oh. I'm begging you in the name of God.
You know, it's funny. You're warning me because I am telling you the truth as a friend. I am trying to guide and guard you. Yet you don't even see it that way. You and I know that you can never end up with that guy. There is no future between both of you. But you have refused to tell yourself the truth. Cha, you can actually do better.
I am doing better already. Richard is my choice. So you see, I've done better already. Thank you. God bless you.
God bless you.
You should say bless you too.
Many suitors came, seeking for your hand in marriage. Rich men, responsible men, you refused to accept any of them, saying you were waiting for Loverboy. Well, where is he? Loverboy abago no son. So will you kill yourself because he has dumped you? You have to go and eat. Biko.
Please, food is not my problem now. Food is not my problem. Richard is my problem. I want him back. That's it. I want him back.
Hey. Richard, Loverboy. Kena Abagosa. The one that has dumped you. Nne. You will not die because he dumped you. You have to buckle up. Mother Nef will be here, Nef. Enoria, come and eat. Face your life. Another man will come.
You are saying this thing because, in fact, so many things you don't know about me. So many things, and you don't even know what's happening in my relationship. Excuse me, please, oh. I don't want to walk away, but excuse me.
You are not eating. How will I know what is happening in your relationship when you refuse to tell me anything? Charity, you will not die in this house, so you must eat. It's your first on here, you must eat.
Cha, how could you? How could you do such demeaning thing? What point were you trying to prove? Who were you trying to impress, Charity? Come on, you messed up big time.
Sincerely speaking, if I knew that he would react this way, I swear I wouldn't have done it. But I did it because of him. I was only trying to help. I was only trying to make sure that he's okay.
Have you gone to see him since then?
No. I'm scared. I don't know what he would say. I don't know how he would react. So I'm scared.
You should be. You should be scared. Because you really messed up. The deed has been done. You have to make out time. Go see him. Tell him all there is to know. Tell him nothing but the truth. I know he should be at work by now, yes. But you have to make out time and go see him first thing tomorrow morning. Cha, promise me you'll go see him tomorrow morning.
I'll try. I'll try. But I'm so scared.
Of course you should be scared. You should be. But at the same time, you have to summon courage. Because the deed has been done. First thing tomorrow morning, go and see him. Tell him all there is to know. If he is meant for you, believe me, he will come back for you. Hey.
Madam, how are you doing?
Yes.
Madam, good evening.
Good evening. Thank
Welcome.
you. Is your Oga around?
What did I say again? What are you doing here?
Baby, please, just hear me out and know why I did what I did.
Charity,
Yes.
there's no excuse to justify all of your actions. I gave you 9 years of my life, but you trashed it.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry I made a huge sacrifice. I sacrificed for you to get this. You know.
Oh, shut up! You did nothing for me. You have been a cheat all this while.
No, I have never cheated on you. I have never cheated on you, Richard. I've always told you the truth. I've always told you how things went. I'm sorry.
Oh, shut up! How dare you look at me in the eye and lie? You have always cheated.
No.
That's who you are, a cheat!
No, baby, I have not cheated on you. I never ever cheated on you. I've always told you the truth. I've always told you how things went.
You told me what? 1 million naira. No, tell me, where exactly am I supposed to get 1 million naira? He's asking me to give him 1 million. How? If I had 1 million naira, would I not open up a business? A good business at that. So where am I supposed to get 1 million naira to give to?
It's okay, baby. Olise, before you got this job, did you pay any amount of money? Did you give them? I don't understand. Did you pay money?
Actually, no, I didn't pay any amount of money. Although, then, when I got the job, Mr. Vincent wasn't the manager, so I think things are a little bit different.
Even at that, why are they asking such an amount of money from someone who is still taking a job, a young man at that?
Is this not pure wickedness? Pure wickedness! Eh? Okay, what am I supposed to do now? I have never studied for an interview like I studied for this one.
I'm a witness.
And look at what has happened. Everything is of no use.
Baby, it's okay. It's okay, alright? It's okay.
What is happening in this country? What? I want to understand. Somebody will come out of the university with good grades, but you need money to get a job. Are we not cursed? No, are we not cursed in this country?
Baby, listen to me. I believe that God will definitely make a way where there seems to be no way. Trust me, believe me. Okay? It's
I'm
fine.
totally confused. I don't know what to do. I'm just all these sleepless nights. Everything.
I understand, baby. It's okay.
Richard,
Yeah?
if you ask me, this job is a very strong and a very payable job.
Okay.
I mean, the pay is huge.
Okay.
Yeah.
By all means, you should try and raise some money, even if it means I support you to pay this job.
Olisa, something told me you were going to sound like this. Olisa, something told me you were going to... Okay, tell me, where do I get 1 million naira from?
Even if it means I support you now.
You support me? With how much?
Baby, don't mind it. Baby, it's okay. It's alright.
No, Olisa, where do I get one? Okay, are you okay? You are supporting him.
Baby, it's okay.
Calm down first.
Good day, sir.
Good day, how may I help you?
My name is Charity Ejike, sir, and I am from Abemem community.
Charity Ejike.
Yes, sir.
Wow. Abeme community.
Yes, sir.
I never knew our community could actually have women of this beauty. Interesting.
Thank you, sir.
Has anyone by chance told you how beautiful you is?
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Okay, go ahead. What makes you?
Sir, I heard the company has an opening. There is a position vacant, so...
Having looked at you, I can tell you that you've gotten the job already.
Sir,
Just look at it.
thank you so much, but I am not really the one interested in the job. It's my fiancé. He's the one that needs the job.
Not you.
No, not me, sir.
Oh.
The condition you gave, sir, it's a whole lot of money. The money is so much. We don't know where we can get 1 million naira from.
So, what do you want me to do?
Please, just give him the job. Once you give him the job and he starts getting his salary, he will pay you. He will give you the 1 million naira and more.
Judging by the way you sound, I suppose your boyfriend should be Richard.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, because he's the only one in this barrister that I've asked to bring 1 million. Others are even paying more.
Sir, please. Please, I'm begging you. Do this for your sister, please. I beg you.
You mean just stand up while we talk. Stand, don't worry.
Thank you.
Okay, but the thing is, I'm actually a very busy person, but that's by the way. Since Richard is not fit enough to afford the sum of 1 million, how about we doing it the other way around? If you get paid in cash, then I suppose you can be able to pay in kind.
I really don't understand what you're saying. I just need you to help me.
That shows that you're not a serious person. I think what I need to do is I need to leave you with this. When you decide, hey, take this. When you make up your mind, you let me know. Call me. You don't have the 1 million and you're not willing to pay in kind, so what are you saying?
Sir, please.
Shh. You may leave my office, please. I'm a very busy person. I mean, I'm even asking you to pay in kind. It's not as if I'm making it too open for other people. Do you know how many people would have been willing to pay in kind if I had left it open? And I'm doing it for you and you still have the mind to object to that. Think about it and let me know. And plus, before you leave, one thing I'll promise you is if you're willing to pay in kind, I'm going to be giving you the appointment letter instant. Like it's going to be transactional. Tete-a-tete, you take it immediately.
I hear you, sir.
Deal.
I can go now, right? Thank you, sir.
Charity, do you even know what you're saying? Are you aware of the consequences of what you just said? Come on, Charity. You of all people thinking of what? To go and sleep with another man just to secure a job for Richard? Come on, girlfriend, don't do that. For a man who might end up leaving you tomorrow for another woman.
No, 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 no. You don't know Richard. I am the one dating him. I know him. He loves me. We love each other. We're like 5 and 6. We tell each other virtually everything. We do things together. We tell each other secrets.
Hey. Charity, calm down. Slow down. You don't know men. The only thing that humbles those people is poverty. The moment Richard makes little money, a little, you will see that the ego in him will burst out from nowhere. Cha, if you ask me, I will advise you not to do it. Please don't go sleeping with a stranger just to secure a job for your boyfriend.
I know Richard, okay? If reverse were to be the case, he would make sure that on this earth, I get everything that he thinks I deserve. So, why won't I do the same for him? See, I remember one incident that happened when we were in the university. Oh, God.
Charity. What's wrong? Charity, talk to me. Why are you crying?
I lost my tuition fees. When I was coming out, some boys stopped me and then took my tuition fees. Tuition fees that I know how my mother suffered to give me that money. What am I going to do now?
What? How did it happen?
I don't know. I don't know if they've been following me from the back, if they've been tracing me. All I know is that they just stopped me and then took everything. What do I tell her now? How do I tell my mother? She will just die of IBP.
It's okay, my love. You don't have to tell your mother. I'll take care of it. Okay?
How are you going to take care of it? Have you even paid your own fees?
I'll take care of it. You don't have to tell your mother. Okay? I'll take care of it. I don't ever want to see you cry. Eh? It's okay, come. I'll take care of it. I'll take care of it. It's okay. I'll see what I can do.
Richard sacrificed his tuition fees for me. He spent virtually 1 extra year in school. He did menial jobs. He starved himself just to make sure that I am good. Just to make sure that I graduated. Just to make sure that things are well with me.
Charity, I am never going to dispute the fact that the price Richard paid for you back then was a huge one.
Yes, huge. Very huge.
Huge one back then in school. But come on, this is unheard of. Girlfriend, you're a virgin. You shouldn't do this. You shouldn't go sleeping with a random man just to secure. What? What? A job for Richard? Cha, there will always be a way. I believe God will make another way for him.
This is huge. You see this particular one? It is huge. It is huge for him. It will change everything for him. Virtually everything for each and every one of us. For me, for you, self, for everybody.
Hey, you are not thinking right. Are you with your senses at all? Are you thinking all right? Come on, Charity. You don't have to give your virginity to a random man to secure a job. You don't. Hold on. Wait.
What is it?
Charity, don't tell me you want to go sleeping with that man. Hey.
Stop it.
Why are you still dressed? I mean, you ought to be undressing.
So, wait. I've not done this before.
Of course, no lady ever accepts that they've done it before. I mean, every lady uses that as a tactic to say they've not done it before.
No,
you're just pretending. Hey, I know you've been giving it to him for free all this while.
No, sir.
How can you say it's the first time? Hey.
Sir, please, let me tell you something. Please, let me tell you something.
Okay, fine, I'm listening. I have all the time for you.
You have to use protection and you have to be gentle with me, please.
Is that a problem? That's not a problem! That's not a problem! You want me to be gentle? I will ride you swiftly. You're gonna like it. I'm gonna ride you so quiet and gently, seamlessly. And trust me, you condom, right?
Yeah.
Let me get one. Every single moment we're gonna be happy. Okay. What are you still waiting for? Start undressing. This is no time. I mean, I'm sorry. I thought you lied when you said you were a virgin. I thought it's one of those tactics used by women often to get away from men claiming that they are virgins when they are not. I am sorry that happened. But you know what? I am going to take care of you if you accept to be my woman from this time.
Please, the appointment letter. Just give me the appointment letter.
Okay. One more thing. Can you please call your account details? I need to give you a token of 200,000. You need to get some medication for yourself, and mostly because of what just happened, so you can take care of yourself 2-3 days. You'll be back on your feet and you'll be fine.
Thank you.
Call it.
I don't need your money. Please, give this to him in 2 days' time.
Okay, let me use the money.
Wow. To think that you slept with him. I'm very certain you have never been a virgin. You lied to me.
Please, I am begging you. I've never lied to you. Just help me. Just help me console my broken heart. I'm begging you, please.
Charity.
Yes.
It takes a woman who's into men to do it at will. In other words, it takes a prostitute to see an opportunity and jump on it. Prostitution has always been in your eyes, and that was why you grabbed the opportunity, because he is richer than me, right?
No, that's not true, baby. Please, I'm just begging you, forgive me. I've always told you the truth. I was a virgin and it was for you.
Charity.
Yes.
I'll no longer fall for your cheap lies. So get out.
Please, baby.
It's over between us.
No, it's not.
Get out.
Baby, it's not.
You're a prostitute.
No, baby.
Get out.
Baby, I'm begging you in the name of God. Please just help.
Get
Baby,
out!
please. Baby, I'm begging you. Please just, I'm begging.
Francis!
No, Francis, don't come.
Francis!
Francis, stay there. Please, baby, I'm begging you. Please. Please, baby. Richard, don't do this to me. Richard, I did not cheat on you. I did it for Richard, please. No, just speak. Richard, please. Please, just give me one.
Madam, go.
Please, Richard.
Carry your bag now.
Richard, I'm sorry.
I will carry you.
Francis, see, if you don't throw this woman out of here,
Richard, I'm sorry.
Madam,
take this woman out of here.
Don't touch me. Don't touch me.
They go. My guys, I don't see you here again. No try enter here again.
Why can't I see her again? Why do I find it so difficult to get her off my thoughts?
Mr. Vincent, the document you requested for is right here. Mr. Vincent?
What is it? What is it?
Why are you still drooling over her?
And you're still wasting time. Leave.
Why are you refusing to answer me though?
I said get back to your office. If I need you, I'll call you. Is that hard to get?
Richard, I understand you are trying to give Charity the benefit of doubt. But the question is, why was it so easy for her to give it to Mr. Vincent?
I have no idea.
You see, if she was a virgin, as she claimed, why was it so easy for her to just submit it to Mr. Vincent? What it took her 9 good years to refrain you from?
Olisa, you have a valid point. You have a valid point, but the truth is, I have no idea. Her friends complain that she's quite private, that I know of. She's very secluded and she hardly goes out. So if she tells you she's going to my place, if you come to my place, you're going to see her there. If she's not at my place, she's definitely at her own place. I can attest to the fact that she's totally different from every other person. But the question still remains, why did she do it if she was actually a virgin before she did it?
Let me tell you why she did it. Charity is a nymphomaniac. She loves and enjoys sex recklessly. That's just it. So don't boil your head trying to know why. This is why. She just loves doing, maybe not with you, but she does it.
Okay, that's enough. Listen, I love her so much and I've always seen a future between us. I don't know,
Are you saw you and her as husband and wife already in the future?
That's what I mean, yes. I've always seen a future between us.
The thing is, not every relationship must end in marriage. And you can't force it. The relationship between you and Charity is a good example that not all relationships must end in marriage. So just pick up your broken pieces. Go out there. You are now well to do. I doubt if any girl will want to tell you no. Okay, enjoy your life. Forget about her. That's it.
So Judy told me what happened and I asked why. Why did you do something like that to yourself?
Because of love. Tina, I did it because I love Richard. And do you know the painful part of this whole thing is that Richard does not even believe that I lost my virginity because of him.
You see it? Did you see that? I told you one thing, Chacha. I told you to first love yourself before you look for someone else to shower love. Selfishness is self-realization. And it's never a crime. I mean, shower yourself with love before you shower to someone else. I can remember when your mom was sick and you were looking for money to take her to the hospital. What happened?
Babe, I believe I made up for the embarrassment of yesterday.
Yes, baby. Thank you so much. You know, I appreciate your caring.
Wait, is that not my friend?
Who?
Babe, please hold on. Just
Oh, she stopped?
Stop there, yes.
She's
Stop
not-
there. Yeah, go front a little bit. That's my friend. Chacha!
Yes!
How are you?
I'm doing good.
What are you doing here? Where are you heading to? to?
Well, just to get something down the road here.
No, it's okay. Just hop in.
No, don't worry. I'm waiting for a tricycle. It will come.
But I said no. I can talk to him. They'll turn around and take you where you're going to.
Stop now. I said that I'm fine, okay? It's fine. I'll be okay.
Are you sure?
Yes, very sure.
Alright. Okay, see you later.
Alright, take care of you. Bye-bye.
Oh, who is that pretty girl?
She's my friend.
Yeah. I like her and she's pretty. I would love you to invite her to Professor Peter's party by the end of the week.
I'm not sure she will accept, but then I will talk to her.
Convince her that she's your friend and I will give you 100,000 if you can.
What?
Yeah, as for her, I'll give her 200,000 if she can tell me.
What? 300,000? Okay, like I said, I'm going to talk to her. But then, I will do my best to talk to her. Do you know what 300,000 can do for her? No, I will talk to her.
Let's go.
Yeah. Chacha, take a good look at your family. You and Mama need financial help. I mean, since your father died, Mama has been trying her best.
Tell her.
Are you not ashamed of yourself? At this stage of your life, you still depend on your mother on little things you could actually provide for yourself. Even to your footwear, she provides it for you. Are you not ashamed of yourself?
Tina, my daughter, God bless you. God bless you for saying the truth and for taking care of me like your own mother. You have always been there for me in time of need. Your own children will do so for you even more.
Amen. Thank you, Mama. Chacha, like I was saying. You remember the man that dropped me off earlier today? You saw him, right?
Yeah, yes, I did.
Okay. He said he likes you. And if only you can follow me to one of his friend's birthday party. He's going to give you 300,000 for thanks for coming.
300,000?
Yes, Mama.
That's too much money. People have money and are wasting it anyhow while we are here. Looking for money, still no help.
I thank you, Tina. You've been a wonderful friend. And sincerely speaking, everything you said about Mama and myself needing financial help, it's true. But you see this help you're offering, it's really not it. Yes, this help is not it because Proverbs 13 verse 11 says that wealth gotten in is somehow manna diminishes.
Wait, Chacha. The Bible passage you just quoted, what has it got to do with what we are talking about here?
Tina, a lot. A lot. I would wait on God to provide for myself and, Mama, so that we would be happy, but not this help. I really don't need this offer.
Charity, what is wrong with you? This Bible quotation you gave now, what has it got to do with what your friend told you? At times, I cannot help but think if actually I am the one that bettered you, or maybe when I gave birth to you, the nurses exchanged you. They exchanged my own daughter with you. Maybe when I was taking my bath. Did you not listen to your friend very well? She did not say the man wants to sleep with you. 300,000 naira just for you to grace the occasion. Thanks for coming.
Okay, fine.
You're saying you're not going.
It's
Listen, Tina, Mama, I understand that this thing is, it seems so easy and it's coming at a time we need help. I understand that perfectly. But I'd rather have little and have the fear of God and have so many wealth with plenty troubles. Proverbs 15 verse 16 says so.
She have quoted again. Another quotation. Charity, you must go there. You see that party? You must go to that party. If you don't need that 300,000, Moabu Helen, I need it. And you must go, else this house will not contain both of us. Charity, you must...
Mama, sorry.
Chacha, you're not dressed yet?
No, I'm not. I told you that I wasn't going. You thought I was joking. Wait.
Chacha, let me ask you one question. How do you think I make all the money you keep borrowing from me? You want me to lend you money to take your mother to the hospital? Now come out and make the money yourself. You said no. What is wrong with you?
I am sorry that I keep borrowing from you. It's just that I can't indulge in
No, go ahead, say it. Constitution, right?
No, Tina, it's just that I cannot indulge in it to treat Mama now.
Oh, really? You cannot. And let me warn you for the last time. The next time you call me and ask me for money, what will come out from my mouth? You will not like it, you will not believe it.
Tina.
Rubbish, I don't blame you.
Tina.
You see? You couldn't do it for your mother, but you did it for love, as you said. And now you want me to show you pity for your stupidity.
No, Tina, I don't want you to pity me, please. I don't want you to pity me. I said it again and I'm saying it again.
Oh, please, shut up. Shut up. You're a fool. A big one at that.
You're really insulting
me. Why won't I insult you? Tell me, why won't I insult you? Something you could not do for your own mother. But it got to Richard's turn. You gave him your virginity. And now he doesn't care. Like I said, Chacha, show yourself this love before looking for someone else to show. You want me to sympathize with you? Huh? You're looking for sympathy? No, you can't even get it.
Bros, are you sure this man can handle me? This one looks like someone who just lost his wife.
Well, actually he lost his fiancée. And that is where you come in as a professional, you know. I need you to go to him, navigate his life from that hell he's sinking himself into. Spice him up, revive his sweet sides. You understand? As a sweet girl now, you know, that's what you're supposed to do, and that is why I came to you.
No, Allah. As long as money is involved, I'm in.
Good money is involved, I promise you. You see, just go to Ram. Show and love. Show and waiting you sabi do. Show and why I come meet you.
Of course.
Go show.
Right away.
And get your money.
Sure. Bros.
glass of water, cold. Kitchen.
Okay, stop this thing now. Come make me do this thing, I beg. Bros, come make me go home now.
Oh, Charity, stop it. Charity, you can't tell me what to do.
Who is Charity? Bro, stop this thing. Come make me go home, make I go do my work. What is all this now? I'm here for work, oh. I'm here for work. I'm not going here to sleep, okay?
Okay, no, well, if you don't want us to go inside the room, we'll do it here. Hey! Hi. This guy is rich. Eh? Fine man. Fine man. You no go battle chop you. This one a cat. Heavy cat.
So this is a charity.
Fine girl.
How long can sign?
Bros, we have to make we do this thing now. Please, I beg. Bros. Oga now. Hey. What is this now? Come here, come sleep. Hello? Olis? Hey, please, oh, your friend just dozed off. What do you want me to do now? You know the drill, right? You do or you not do, you must pay me my money. Of course. Alright, no wahala. Nonsense. Oh, you're awake.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Sorry, what's that doing there? The portrait. Who kept it there?
I did.
Why?
Is she the reason you didn't touch me last night? She's fine, sure.
Can I have it, please?
I think you should look at her more often rather than trying to hide her. Did she cheat on you with any man?
Hey, none of your business, please. Like I said, I apologize for last night. How much is your money, please?
Ah, don't worry. Your friend Olisa paid me already. But if you want to add something, I don't mind. I would gladly appreciate.
That's okay, I can add something, but we have to go. I'm ready for work.
Okay.
Yeah, Josh, I can hear you. I mean, just go ahead and make the payments. Then after that, every other thing is going to fall in place. No, trust me by my words. I mean, if I say things, I obviously do them. Josh, can I call you back, please? Alright, let me call you back. What's the matter with you? Why would you just barge in as if there's something going on?
I'm sorry, sir. I heard you on the phone, so I didn't want to disturb you.
Okay, fine. Just drop the coffee and go.
Yes, dear. Coffee.
How did you forget something?
Oh, I spoke to Mr. Richard about the contract, so he's not done with his part. I'll get the information for you, sir.
It's okay. I've heard you. You can go.
Okay.
I said you can go. Don't be like this.
Tell me you don't like it.
Don't start this. This is office premises. Don't do this.
One thing I hate about you, Charity, is the fact that you allowed yourself to be blinded by your love for this guy. Even when the truth is so glaring, you refuse to accept it. Cha, that guy is not as holy as you assumed.
I overheard everything. Is it not stupidity? Obru iberibe. I have told my daughter countless times to forget about that wretched, irresponsible man. She will not listen to me. I am sure that he did something to my daughter. Yes.
Mama, take a look at this picture. I took it this morning. I took this photo myself this very morning. Charity, do you remember me telling you countless times that the only reason this guy stayed committed to you is the fact that he's poor and hungry? I told you that it takes money to cheat.
Please, can all of you just stop it? Stop it, please. I am here and you're talking about my man in my presence in this manner.
So because you are here, we should run away or prostrate to you, bow down to you. Okay? Look, I will go out there and look for a responsible, respectable, rich man to come and marry you. And if you say no, heaven will let loose. And you will regret the fact that I bettered you. Igafoye. I've talked to you.
Shay, you're happy now.
Happy about what?
No, you're happy now.
About doing the needful. Yes,
no, there's no needful you're doing here.
Are you...
Yes, I'm very serious. Just live my imperfect life for me and just focus on
Charity,
your perfect
I
life.
took this picture this morning.
So? What do you want me to do about it?
Are you kidding me?
Oh, please.
Bro, I know it's very difficult for you to move on without Charity, considering how close the both of you were. I mean, 9 good years of you being together. But you see, there comes a time in life that you have to just let some things be and move on with your life regardless. And I think that time for you is to leave Charity and move on.
Do you believe she did it?
Did what?
Slept with Mr. Vincent.
Mr. Vincent, that man is very promiscuous, crafty, deceptive. Do you remember when he asked you to give him 1 million naira so he can get you this job? When you couldn't, what did he do? He didn't give you this job. Now, how did you get this job? Because Charity slept with him. And let me bust your bubble a little bit. You might be surprised, although not for me, but I am sure that the both of them might still be seeing themselves secretly.
Olisa, I get your point.
Yeah.
But I have to do something really important. I must find out if she was a virgin before she met with him. Yeah, come in.
Okay, Mr. Richard.
Hi. You're here for the statement, right?
Yes, sir. The GM asked me to.
Yeah, can you come back in 5 minutes? I'll just get it ready. Sorry, I was
Alright.
Cindy, how far now? Why you don't greet me now? Why you don't want to talk to me now? I'm too small for your eye. What you have? You no see me.
See you as how?
Eh?
You dey share money. Hmm?
Bro, do you know why that girl behaves like that? Because she and Mr. Vincent they are sleeping with each other. That's why she has the guts to be so uncultured and very, very unruly. Imagine what she was saying. See you as her. They share money. Everybody knows now. They are sleeping with each other.
Are you going my way?
I'm not going your way. Can you please leave me alone?
Hey, you don't have to sound that way. For you to have been standing here means you're waiting for someone.
Obviously, I'm waiting for my cab.
Can I be that cab man at the moment? So tell me, should we go to a hotel?
No. Let's go to my apartment. I'll make dinner for us. What do you think?
I ask you again. Should we go to a hotel?
My apartment is more comfortable. I'll make dinner for us.
Don't mind me. I tried acting as if I didn't hear what you said before, but I wanted to be sure of it. Okay, then it's fine. Now we just go, right? Oh my goodness!
Do you like the place?
I was actually thinking your parlor is everything. Oh, wow. I love your bedside.
Thank you.
Wow. Oh, a nice place you've got.
I bet yours is even better.
Yeah. You probably have to visit my place to see that.
Obviously.
You want me to sit in here? Come on, I must appreciate this. This is beautiful. I like the red.
Baby, you have been longing for this. Let Mama take care of you, honey.
There's a principle that says that a man should not lay with a single woman at her place. Are you sure it's safe being here with you?
Yes.
Are you sure? You know, I was proposing a hotel earlier.
Here is even better.
Oh, are you sure it's safe?
Yes.
Charity, what is the matter with you? For the past 2 months I've been calling you and you're not taking your calls.
Who is she? Even when we are together.
In fact, I need to start going.
You can't be serious right now.
Please, can I have my shirt, please?
No, baby, wait, hold on.
No, I have to go, please.
Are you getting mad just because I asked you about her?
No, it's fine.
You can't just go like that just because I asked about someone. I don't even know her.
What's your problem? Are you just being overzealous or something else? Oh, what is it?
Okay, fine. Hold on. Can you at least stay with me tonight, please?
No, I have to leave. Sorry, I can't stay here anymore.
You just made love to me and you're treating me this way.
I can't stay. Sorry.
You're not being fair, you know, right?
We'll talk
Baby,
about
wait.
it on the phone. Don't worry.
anything. Your phone has been ringing for a while now. It's either you pick it or you silence it. Don't let it distract me again.
Do you ever loved me like you said before? Do you really loved me like you claimed I thought? Oh, if it was real, how can this be happening to us? Oh, to us. If it was real, how can you break my heart this way? Oh, this love is a crime, and it's holding me prisoner. I'm trying to hide, but the memories are keeping me, holding me. This love is a crime, and it's holding me prisoner. I'm trying to hide, but the memories are keeping me, holding me. Yeah, after everything we've been through, now I doubt if it was true. Now I'm feeling pain that I can't escape, all because of love.
Charity, what are you doing here? Charity, what are you doing here? Charity, you're not supposed to be here. We're done. We have gone our separate ways. What are you doing here? You have a heart, right?
Do you hate me this much, Richard? Do you? Richard, please, I just want to understand. We've stayed together for 9 years. Doesn't mean it doesn't mean anything to you. Just forgive me and let's move on, give me a second chance.
Second chance. Charity, are you a bastard? Huh? Are you a bastard? Second chance? 9 years? You just said we spent 9 years together. Did you think about me before hurting me? Charity, I swore to everyone that you were totally different from every other person. How dare you? Charity, you starved me of sex for 9 years. But you were giving it to someone else. Your numerous boyfriends.
Richard, I said I am sorry. I'm sorry I cheated on you. I'm sorry. I'm sorry, but what I would not have you do is you making jest of my chastity and purity.
Get out.
Richard, please.
Get out.
Richard.
Get out. I said get out. Francis! Francis! Open the gate! Hey, Rich. You having a conversation with her? Shut up.
Is that your ex?
Yep.
I see. Looks like you're still in love with her.
Hey, that's none of your business, alright? Can we just go straight to the point?
Fine.
Answer all the questions, please.
Okay.